Yeah, ready.
Far left, trenches!
Oh. Oh, great. Damn it. Yeah, watch our left side over here, I think. Yeah, damn, yeah. I saw my boy there, I was like, please just shoot at him.
Yeah, I was waiting for him too. I seen him travel over there in the beginning.
What else? Yeah, right here, right here, right here.
Bang, bang!
Oh, motherfucker, scared the shit out of me.
Hit! Yeah, he hit my shin guard.
Oh, sorry, yeah. You got me on that one, you got me, no, you got me.
I'm way too far.
Alright.
I'm way too far.
Cover, you can't bang you from the front. You're in, go.
Oh, okay, I'm in. Oh, okay, sorry. Oh, hit, yeah.
All right,
There you go, it settles it.
All right. Oh, let's go.
I like the left. This fence right here, or no?
He's on the dirt, left side.
Left side? Oh, okay.
Oh, shit. Laser.
Oh, yeah, you good? Yeah, one's down here on the left.
You hear those shots?
Huh?
You hear those shots? He's over here.
Yeah, I know, I heard him. Damn, this motherfucker in camo. You got a pin?
A pin?
A location?
Yeah, he's on the tower, I think. I think he's behind the wall of the tower.
You got him?
Yeah, he's in that one. He's still in the tower though. I see where he's at.
Hey, I got him.
Oh, he's down. Yeah, one's down. Nice. Oh, hit. Oh, shit. Oh, hit.
You shooting at him over there?
Yeah, he's behind the, right over here.
Oh, got you.
Someone's right behind that. Pretty sure it's Tall Boy.
I'm moving left.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, he's laying down at the tire. He's laying down at the tire thing. Yeah, he's right there. He's lining me up right now. Well, which way is he? Which way is he?
He's behind the wall on the tower.
On the tower?
Middle wall, rectangular.
Oh, the low wall, low wall.
Shots on me. Compromise. Compromise, compromise.
Oh, he's down, he's down, he's down.
Got him.
Oh, he's down, he's down.
I just saw the top of the head. I just kept aiming for it.
Yeah, yeah.
Good job.
I got that.
Yeah.
Now one's down on the left. One's down on the left.
Shit. Ah, motherfucker. Got me in the damn hand.
Yeah, one down right here. One down. I literally have just a little pistol, so you gotta give me some fighting chance.
Put a little dog in the fight, you know?
Yeah, put a little dog in it, yeah.
Technically a violation, but we'll let it slide.
Oh, damn, hit. Yeah, damn, that was a nice one. Hit.
Hit! That was the last one.
You see him?
Yeah, I see him across.
Ah! Hit!
Oh, you still in?
Yeah, I got one more.
You wanna just go in for him?
There's no point if I can't see him because he blends in. I'm just gonna fuck it.
You don't wanna go with me?
Alright, let's go out and blaze a glory.
See these blue barrels right here?
Oh. Oh, shit.
Watch out. Get down the cover over here. How about I go left?
Okay.
There we go.
Go.
Oh, hit. Yeah, hit.
Ah! Hit! Yeah, I got him. Got him. I'm gonna run for the tree right there.
You run for the tree? Oh yeah, I got you.
Ready? Ah! Fuck, I spotted him last second too. Dude, I looked right to my left. I saw something move. I realized who it was and I'm like, oh, I'm fucked the second I put my head back up. Got me 4 times in the fucking arm. Ow.
Did I hit you?
No.
Fuck!
Are you sure you're shooting? Shoot at the dirt right now.
Damn. Yeah, I'm good. I missed him though. We don't have much time. He set the bomb. You good?
I think I saw one bounce off your head, like your booty.
Is it?
Well, that's what we were
I saw, yeah, I saw too.
Oh,
yeah. I just thought, yeah, I saw you gave him right in there. Oh, shoot. Oh, damn.